In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a canned response to a different folder. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reorganize your responses so they're easy for you or your team to find and use. Let's start by heading to the right place in your workspace. From your main navigation, go to Admin, then open Agent Productivity and select Canned Responses. This section is your central library for all the quick replies you've created or that are shared with your team. You'll typically see responses grouped by folders, such as personal for your own items and general for responses that everyone can access. Next, locate the canned response you want to move. For example, maybe you want to move your greeting response that currently lives in your personal folder. Take a moment to confirm the exact response name so you don't move the wrong one, especially if you have similar variations. If your list is long, the layout may offer filters or a search bar to help you zero in faster. Once you've found it, select the canned response by checking the box next to its name. This tells the system which item you're working with. If the Move to option looks grayed out, it usually means nothing is selected yet, so make sure that checkbox is ticked. Now click Move to at the top of the list. This action opens a small menu or dialog where you can choose where the response should go. You're not changing the content, just its location. So think of this like putting a file into the right folder for better organization. From the drop-down, choose the destination folder. In our example, we'll move the greeting response from personal to general. Moving something into a shared folder like general makes it available to your broader team, which is great for consistent messaging. Keep in mind that the opposite is true as well. Keeping something in personal limits it to your use only. To finish, offer a try. Click Confirm on or her, whichever confirmation button your interface shows. Sometimes it may appear as Move or Apply. After you confirm, the system will complete the change, and you should see the response listed under the folder you selected. The change takes effect immediately, so the next time you or your teammates open canned responses, it'll be exactly where you placed it. That's all there is to it. Open canned responses, find the one you want, select it, choose Move to, pick the new folder, and confirm. Keeping your responses organized saves time and helps your team deliver consistent, polished replies every time.